In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a divider in Notion. A divider is a simple, clean, horizontal line that helps break up your content, making pages easier to read and scan. It's perfect for separating sections, grouping related ideas, or giving your notes and documents a more professional layout. Here's all you need to do. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the break in your content. Think of it like marking a clear pause between the section above and the one that follows. Now make sure you're on a completely blank line. If your cursor is sitting at the end of a sentence, press Enter to move to a new line so there's nothing on it. No text, no spaces, just an empty line. On that blank line, type 3 hyphens in a row, minus, minus, minus. The moment you type the third hyphen, Notion will instantly convert those characters into a thin horizontal divider line. You don't need to press anything else or confirm an action. It happens automatically. You'll see a neat line stretch across the content area, giving you that visual separation right away. After the divider appears, just click below it and keep writing as usual. You can add as many dividers as you like throughout your page to create clear sections, useful for switching topics, organizing a meeting agenda, or visually separating a summary from detailed notes. Dividers work nicely under a heading or between checklists and paragraphs to make the flow of information more digestible. If you type the 3 hyphens and nothing happens, double check a couple of small details. Make sure you're truly on a blank line with no stray spaces before or after the hyphens. It needs to be exactly 3 hyphens, typed consecutively with no extra characters. If you accidentally added a space or typed fewer or more hyphens, Notion won't recognize it as a divider shortcut. Simply clear the line, ensure it's empty, and try again with exactly 3 hyphens. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and the page is fully loaded, so Notion can register formatting shortcuts smoothly. That's all there is to it. By using a simple 3 hyphen shortcut on a blank line, you can quickly add structure to any Notion page and guide readers through your content with clear visual breaks. Give it a try in your next document, and enjoy how much cleaner and more organized your workspace looks with just a single, fast action.